You know each other?
Yes. I know him very well. College pa lang kami, sikat na yan for not just being good in the kitchen, magaling din siya sa music. Medyo mayabang lang.
Ako? Mayabang? Hindi ah.
Well, this will be interesting. I can't wait to spend the next 3 months with you in the kitchen as your teacher, Mr. Madrigal. Naalala mo ba, sinabi mo na bland ang British food? Well, why don't you make it more exciting and spice it up?
What? Magiging head chef mo yung binuli mo noong college?
Oo. Teka, siguro pinlanan yung dalawa ni Miss Jamie to, no?
Uy, wala akong alam dyan ha. Hindi ko nga alam na Carol yung pangalan ng head chef nila eh. Tsaka, nakafocus ako kay Jamie. Pero di ba yun awkward na binuli mo siya nung English breakfast presentation niya? Tapos tinawag mo pa nga bland yung British food. Tapos ngayon mag-work ka sa British restaurant?
Insan, sa mga jobless na maraming bayaring kagaya ko, walang karapatan maging choosy.
Pero small world ah. Sabi sa akin ni Jamie na nagkakilala daw sila ni Jamie at Carol nung nag-London sila. Stress nga daw to si Carol dahil sa ex-boyfriend niya na musikero. What if painlabin mo kaya?
Tumigil ka nga. Puro ka talaga kalokohan eh.
Seryoso nga kasi. What if you mend her broken heart para hindi niya ibuhos lahat ng stress niya sa'yo, no? Tsaka, be her teddy bear. Give her comfort food na may kasamang yakap. Baka hindi mo alam, mahilig sa K-drama at K-pop yun. Di lang halata.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Hindi ko gagawin yun.
Let's start with the basics. Fish and chips. Today we will be using the dory fish, but once we operate in Singapore, we will be using the codfish. You simply take your fish, dip it in the batter, dip it here, and then you fry it. Mr. Madrigal, nakikinig ka ba?
Oo, nakikinig ako.
Well, while we're at it, I want to challenge you, Mr. Madrigal. I want you to create a good fusion dish using Filipino and British food elements. Ipapasa lang kita kapag nasatisfy ako sa iprepresent mo.
Challenge accepted.
Great. I can't wait to see what you make, Mr. Madrigal, because I have high expectations.
So, si Dylan pala yung kinakwento sa akin ni Jamie noon na schoolmate daw niya na bully sa kanya dati. What a coincidence, no? I mean, hindi naman natin pinlano na sila yung magka-work together. Parang K-drama lang, or episode sa Regal Studio Presents.
Nakikita mo to, Mr. Madrigal. You need to mash it a bit more. Hindi pwedeng may buo-buo sa potatoes.
Pero, di ka ba muna nakipag-consult kay Carol nung sinend mo yung CV ni Kuya Dylan?
Nope, I hired him based on his credentials.
And don't forget the edges. Ngayon yung middle part, you missed that spot right there. Hindi pwedeng...
Si Carol kasi is very strict and traditional when it comes to the food she prepares. Which is an asset, lalo na if you want to keep the authenticity of a certain dish. On the other hand, having a risk-taker and a creative guy like Dylan on the team will also be good. Kasi lalo na sa mga foodies na always looking for something new. I think both of them are professional enough naman na hindi personally yung trabaho nila.
Well, I know Kuya Dylan, and I know there's rumors about him and about his temper. Pero pag manunuyo yun, tas gugustuhin niya, okay yun.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Puso ko ay... Puso. Sobrang kiligin.
Bakit nyo kinakancel yung booking ko? I hate loud thunders.
ka matakot. Kidlat lang yan. Tsaka, andito ako. Oh.
Sorry. Takot ako sa kulog at kidlat kasi may childhood friend akong nakidlatan dati. At na-hospital siya.
Kung mag-alala. Alam mo, safe naman tayo dito sa loob. Tsaka, sigurado ko, hindi naman tayo makawala ng kuryente. Gutom ka, no?